I'm an idiot that doesn't know what he's doing half the time, so don't follow my lead, guys. Oh, hey, you're already down here. Good to see you again. I think this is a 1/2 inch. Maybe? Yeah, it's a 1/2. It's a little rounded. I've always hated these because this bolt's right between these two cats. I always try to burn myself or catch myself on fire. Do something stupid. Oh, jeez Louise, who put this in here? Oh, crap. I gotta go a different route. I need a 6-point or something. What the heck? Yay! Woohoo! Just for the record, these are not how-to videos. These are purely for entertainment. I'm an idiot that doesn't know what he's doing half the time, so don't follow my lead, guys. We're gonna let that drain. I'm gonna go get a drink. Alright, that is good enough for me. Got enough miles on it though that it's probably had 78,000 oil changes in it, so the bolt's gonna get some wear and tear. Alright, filter, pH 16 filter. At one point I had like 4 vehicles, they all took a pH 16. They were all high miles, so I just ran 1040 oil in them. It was pretty easy to universalize everything out here. But times they are changing. Oh, this should come off my hand. There we go. They don't really need to be more than hand tight. This is the part where we all wear it. Yeah, I'll just let that pour for a minute. Bloop, 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 bloop. Got the other one right here somewhere. There it is. It's old oil, but I don't really care. Take some old oil, new oil, rub it around on the gasket of the new filter to help for removal next time. I like to take the box the new filter came in, put the old filter in it, minimizes mess. Wipe down up top. Man, there's a lot of schmutz falling off of this Jeep. Come on, it's your home. There we go. It's hand tight, but I like to snug them because I don't want them dripping more than they, well, everything else drips on here. I think with all the oil leaking, it wouldn't be so rusty down here, huh? Alright, back up top to fill her up. 4.7 liter. Doesn't say how many quarts it takes. We gave it about 4. I think I need to put a starter on this. It's got a brand new battery to it, but it still drags a little when you try to crank it. So I'm thinking maybe it's the starter. I don't know, anybody know? Put that down in the comments if you're watching this, because only about 7 people ever see these videos. And I'm sure about 6 of them are me and my relatives. Who am I kidding? My family doesn't even watch. I don't see nothing dripping. That's good. I'll daringly fire up the Jeep with the garage door closed. Everybody hold your breath. Y'all hear that whistling? I got a pulley going out somewhere, it sounds like. Yeah, that's low. This thing takes at least 5, if not 6. Coolant looks good. It's got steering fluid. I think I just checked this, but check it again, I guess. Yeah, I did just check that. That one's fine. I will put a little more washer fluid in. It's pretty topped off as it is. It needs another quart. It's about a half. That puts us up to, well, where are we at? 5.5 quarts. Fire it up, check it again. Yep. Top it off with the other half. I'll check the oil when I bring it back in and check the trans fluid, but that should be good. I think 6 quarts sounds right to me. I highly doubt it takes 7. Alright, bring you over to my board here. Dodge, that's the caliber my boy drives. That got changed to 159. I think that might be due for a change. I like to write down the filter, what weight it takes, and the size bolt for the drain pan. Makes it kind of nice. There's my truck. It takes 5 quarts. I don't know why I didn't write down how much it takes there. But that's the PH16, like I just changed on there. 134, that's probably due. There's my wife's car. That'll tell you when it's due. There's the TJ that's getting built, and actually that's going to get scrapped because it's got a whole new motor in it. ZJ probably needs change just because it's been a couple years, even though I haven't put any miles on it. It's probably got some moisture in there. So we go with WJ, 5 quarts, ½ inch, and 240,000 miles is where we changed it. So there's my cars. There's my fleet of junk vehicles with 800,000 miles on them. So 2004 Grand Cherokee 4.7 liter V8. What do you guys think of them? I know everybody usually falls into one of two camps. You're a Jeep guy or you're not. I mean, if you're into trucks, off-roading, anything like that. I happen to marry into a Jeep family, but it was a pretty easy transition for me because I was already four-wheeling and dirt biking with my friends prior to that. So we always said that you go kind of from dirt bikes to four-wheelers to bigger four-wheelers, and then you just end up in Jeeps as you get older. And the dirt bike back there, I would like to sell it. I love it, but I just don't ride it anymore. So what do you guys think about the Jeep? Do you guys have one? You ever driven one? Do you like Jeeps? I will give you a tour of the other Cherokee, the off-roader, one of these days. So, alright, I'm going to air up the tires on this thing, go take it for a spin, warm it up, pull it back in, check the fluids, and be on to something else. So this is the part where I say goodbye, and I need like a catchy goodbye, but I got nothing, so I'll have to work on that. So Anyway, till next time, guys. Thanks for coming along with my little excursion underneath the Jeep here today. And see you in the next one. Later! P.S. 6 quarts, not 5.